Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel where I'm all about promoting a healthy lifestyle, both mind, body, and spirit. And today I have made ginger and orange juice. Nothing but ginger and fresh orange juice. And then also I added to that fresh ginger and orange juice carrots. So I have fresh ginger, orange, and carrot juice here. And then just the fresh ginger and orange juice here. Let me just show you how I put it together real quickly. Whenever doing fresh, you want to try and get organic whenever you can. So I have organic carrots, organic oranges, and organic ginger. I usually like to put a little garbage bag, or it's really a grocery bag, inside the bowl that catches the pulp, and it makes it for easy cleanup. So I'm going to start with the oranges, putting the oranges in. They're softer, so from what I understand, my niece tells me that, you know, the softer things goes in first, and then the harder things on top of the softer ones. Kind of helps to push it down. So I'm putting in the oranges. I use 2 oranges, and also you see the ginger that I'm using. So I'm going to blend it up together. Then I will add the carrots later after I separate some of the ginger and orange juice. And I'm doing little shots. I have these little shot glasses that I had bought. These are juice shots that I had bought from the store before, and I just kept the little bottles, and now I can use these little glass bottles to put my own juice in it. So here the juice, it has filled up, and I'm going to release it. Now this is just fresh orange juice and fresh ginger juice. All good stuff. Ginger, very good for this cold season that's coming up. Very good. And this Nama juicer has this little strainer in it, and it catches all the fine particles so that you're getting nothing but juice inside the container. So that's a good feature of this Nama juicer. Of course, you can juice as much ginger and oranges as you want, but this is just how many I had. I only had 2 oranges and this much ginger and carrots, so this is all I'm juicing today. So I have my little bottles here, my little shot glass bottles. I'm pouring in the ginger and orange juice into it. I filled up 3 of my little shot glasses of the ginger and orange juice. Now I'm going to juice these carrots. And these are carrots that I had left over. I thought, well, why not add them to my juice as well, rather than letting them go bad. So I'll just juice them, add them to the ginger and orange juice, and it will be really good and nutritious. So that's what I decided to do. This Mama Juicer does a really good job of extracting all the juice. This pulp, carrot pulp, is so, it's not wet at all. In fact, you can just grind it up in your hand, and very dry, which is very good. I'm going to stop it and then release the carrot juice. And those little, that much carrot, those many carrots gave me this much juice. It's not a lot, but it's still just enough to mix with the rest of my ginger and orange juice. It's just enough, so this is going to be so good. Ginger, orange, and carrot juice. Okay, so here again are the juices. I ended up with 3 of the shots of the ginger and orange juice. And then I ended up with 4 shots of the ginger, orange, and carrot juice. So now, time for the best part. I want to taste each one. So, and also, I'm going to add turmeric, maybe to a couple of these, adding fresh, well, not fresh, but adding this turmeric powder, a pinch of turmeric, and of course have to add a pinch of black pepper whenever you add turmeric. You want to add black pepper to get all of that benefits of the curcumin that's in the turmeric. Okay, so now let's just test out this is just fresh ginger and fresh oranges. I had 2 oranges that I used. So let's just try this and see how it tastes. The ginger is so good. The orange, I can taste a little of the orange too. And I feel that ginger going down my throat. So it's good. It's a powerful antioxidant. So powerful. This is so good. So I'm going to add a pinch of turmeric and black pepper to this as well, and make it even more healthy. But here I have enough. I have 7 of these little shots, 3 up with the ginger and orange juice, and then 4 with the ginger, orange, and carrot. So now let's taste the ginger, orange, and carrot. Again, with just the ginger and orange, I could really feel that ginger going down my throat. So good and healthy. And now with the ginger, orange, and carrot, let's see how it tastes. Still feel the ginger. Carrot gives it a little sweetness. This is so good. My goodness. I'll be doing this very often. 3 John 1 and 2 says, Beloved, I wish above all things that thou shalt prosper and be in health, even as your very soul prospers. And that's what we want. That's what God wants. So as much as we can, when we can, let's make it as healthy as we can. All right, do our bodies good, do what's good for it, okay? All right, if you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel, I really would appreciate it if you did. In the meantime, have a blessed and wonderful day, and again, make it healthy. These are so very good, so delicious, so satisfying to the body, to the you know, the soul even. All right, here's to healthy eating, healthy drinking. God bless. So satisfying. So good. One soldier down, 6 to go. God bless.